this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the Liquify filter on Photoshop. Okay, so go ahead and open up two portrait photos. Okay, I have this one. Open, my kitten cat here, and then one of me. Okay, so I want you to do two photos. I have one of me. You can pull an image off the internet. The second one does have to be a person's face, and the first one can be an animal, or something with, or it could be anything. Okay. In any case, so what you want to do here is you're going to go to the filter tool, and then you're going to drop down, go to Liquify, and to wait for a couple seconds for the second one to open up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is use some of these tools. So if you look here, right, there's a pucker tool, a blow tool, push left tool. These are kind of like warping tools. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make my Kit Kat eyes bigger, right? So I'm left click dragging. So if nothing's happening, go ahead and change the brush size. Okay, so I'm going to go make my brush size about 700. Okay, so see how it's bigger now? So right in the center, oh, let's go. I'm going to do bloat. Okay, I'm going to do the bloat tool right in the center. I'm going to make the eye bigger, right? So this is really kind of a, called the Liquify tool, but it's like a warp tool, right? So do that. See that? Right in the center. It kind of makes it cartoony. Okay, so I want you to go and play with the filters. So here, I can use the pucker tool to make her nose smaller, really cartoony. And then here's the twirl tool. Let's see if you can make her ear really weird. Okay, so it also distorts the background image too. Okay, let's see if I can do anything with the whiskers. All right, see that? It's just kind of warping everything, kind of making it look cartoony, right? So you can see if I do the edges here, right, it looks really, really weird. Okay, so that's the Liquify tool. Okay, so I'm gonna hit OK. Then I'm going to go ahead and export as a JPG. Export. Okay, and then I'm going to call this one Kit Kat Liquify Eyes. Up there it is. Okay, I'm going to hit save. Oh, I did it already once. So I'm going to hit OK. So now I'm going to go back and add it. This is the first one of two. I want you to do two. So I'm going to add the one. Select from computer. There it is, Liquify Eyes. Okay, so there's the one, okay, with the googly eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to do the second one. I want you to do two. Okay, like I said, I have, bigger. There you go. So I have my photo. Okay, so this one has facial recognition. So if I go back to filter, go to Liquify. Okay, this one I want you're gonna have to pick a person's face, right? It's got this face ID filter here, right? And so if you look here, let me close this window. Okay. It if I try to do it with the cat, it won't see it, right? It already recognizes the face. So what I can do here, right? This is for the left eye. I can make my eyes bigger, right? I just move this. I just move the wheel over like that. See that? See how my eyes getting bigger on the left? Make my eyes bigger on the right, right? Photoshop recognizes the face, a person's face. Okay. I can even change the eye height. Let's go all the way to 100. See that? It's getting really weird and really crazy looking. And then all the way that, and so I can even change the shape of my nose. Okay, let's make it smaller. See that? I've always wanted a smaller nose. Make it a little bit longer. I don't know if you can see that. And I could even change the shape of my smile. So let's make a crazy smile look like that. Let's make my upper lip always bigger. There you go. And then I can change the width of my mouth. Okay, so you can play with these features, these facial, right? You can change the chin height, the jawline, the width, right? Let's make my face really big or really, really small like that. Okay. I'm just gonna let you look how funny that looks. Okay, so let's just do this one more time, all the way up. There you go. Now I look like a clown. Okay, so hit OK. All right, so there's my Liquify tool filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and file, export as a JPG, export, and then I'm just gonna name this one selfie fun. Then I'm gonna go back, insert, Cover plus, add this photo from computer. There it is. Okay. And there it is. And that's it.